my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a variety of bathing suits that you can rock if you are carrying a child. So any pregnant girls that are out there and looking for some summer inspiration for bathing suits, just stick around because I'm going to show you a whole bunch of bathing suits that you guys can go out and shop for and look sexy on the beach. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First bikini that I have on is this sage green two-piece from Nasty Gal. I've actually owned this bikini for over 3 years. I purchased it when I went to Jamaica 3 years ago, and I totally love how soft it feels, and I like the color. I also like the buttons that it has here. They add so much detail to the bathing suit. It also has buttons on the side right here, which is pretty cool. This is the second bathing suit, and it is from Shein. I love the color of this bathing suit because, you know, yellow always compliments women of color. Dark-skinned women, yellow is the color for them, especially in bathing suits. So this is why I love this bathing suit, and I like that it feels very comfortable. It's not too tight on me, which is amazing. And this is the back. This is the third bathing suit. This is a one-piece bathing suit from J. Crew. I've had this bathing suit for close to 3 years as well. One-piece bathing suits just have some sense of comfort because they just cover everything. You know, you don't have to worry about a boob popping out or, you know, your butt cheek hanging. I don't know, they just make you feel more covered, and you just get full coverage from them. So that's why I love this bathing suit. This is the back of it. It feels a bit tight because when I got it, of course, I wasn't pregnant. It's in a small size, and now that I'm just so big, I feel like it's very tight. But again, it's not uncomfortable. It's still comfortable, which is nice. A perfect way to accessorize with this kind of bathing suit is by using a belt bag. I got this belt bag from Zara, and it is a perfect bag to have when you're on the beach, you know, to just put money, put your phone, things that are really quick and that are not too bulky. So you can always accessorize with something like this. I like to put it in the center of my belly just because, I don't know, it feels weird down here, you know? So I just put it up here, and then bam, we are rocking. Here is the final bathing suit. It is a two-tone suit from Express. I really love how uniquely shaped this bathing suit is. I love the unique cutting in the center of the bathing suit. I think it's pretty cool. I also love the color. Black and white are very classic colors, so you can never go wrong with that. It fits different when I'm pregnant. I wore it first when I wasn't pregnant, and I can definitely see that it's a different feel, but again, it's still flattering on the body, which is pretty impressive. So I like that, and it fits right. It feels good. I like that two-toned detail you see right here on the sleeve. And then this is how it looks in the back. It just keeps going in between my butt cheeks. That's why I keep adjusting it, but this is it. So you guys, I'm seriously a strong believer that you can still wear a lot of the stuff you used to wear before you got pregnant, and all these bathing suits I used to wear before I got pregnant, of course they do fit differently. They feel a little tighter just because when I got them in a smaller size, like a size small, because I always wear size small, but now I could use a size medium But overall, you know, they fit comfortably. You know, I can still wear them to the beach, to a pool. They're still stylish. If you're looking for bathing suits to wear that are stylish while you're pregnant, I would definitely recommend these kinds of styles, because, you know, you don't feel left out, like you have to go and wear grandma looking bathing suits. So these are pretty cool. So because I purchased these long time ago, I'm going to link similar bathing suits in the description so you guys can check those out and purchase them. And this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below, and also drop some video suggestions down below that you guys are looking forward to seeing. I am always happy to look at your recommendations. And yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.